Ladies and gentlemen, soil fertility is a key factor for the success of farming enterprises. Every crop enterprise has different soil nutrient requirements. Soil testing to determine the level of fertility is therefore critical and should always be the starting point for any agricultural enterprise. Some of our farmers have been getting this service from outside the county, which has made the service unreachable to most of them. Cognizant to that fact, my government is today launching soil fertility testing services in the county. My government has procured 4 modern soil scanners, which will be strategically placed in the sub-counties for farmers to easily access the service. I encourage all farmers to utilize those facilities so as to enhance agricultural productivity. Ladies and gentlemen, despite the fact that avocado production has enormous economic benefits and has high production potential, yields obtained in smallholder avocado farms are low, and this is attributed to little uptake of improved production technologies, premature harvesting, losses due to root rot, fungal diseases, and planting of local varieties, to mention but a few. In spite of the fact that local variety, also known as jumbo, plays a major role in being the most popular rootstock for grafting, we should wake up to the reality that local avocado varieties take long to mature, they bear low fruit yields, have undesirable qualities, have unmanageable growth vigor, are not disease and pest resistant, they utilize large land space, and generally the fruits are of poor quality. My government is therefore promoting Fuerte and Hass varieties, which address most of the foregoing challenges. In this respect, my government, in collaboration with KFIS, Kenya Plant Health Inspectorate Services, has trained over 1,500 on production of the said varieties. To date, my government, in collaboration with other stakeholders, has issued 45,000 tree seedlings to farmers for avocado promotion. The county has a total of 2,100 hectares and avocado, with an average yield of 14 tons per hectare per year, translating to about 5 billion Kenya shillings income for last year. Other upcoming investments to support the agriculture sector include the County Agricultural and Industrial Park that is coming up at Sironga, which will go a long way in supporting the aggregation and marketing of avocado to other fresh produce in Nyamira. The county, through the National Agriculture Value Chain Development Project, has prioritized avocado value chain as one of the key enterprises to be supported in the next 5 years. This will further complement the efforts earlier made by the county government and other development partners to further grow the avocado value chain. It is also worth noting that apart from the commercial benefits of avocado, the crop is a good agroforestry tree, which come with other benefits such as helping us attain the national target of 10% forest cover, carbon sequestration, among others. The health benefits associated with consumption of avocado fruits cannot be overemphasized. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, it is my sincere hope that as we embark on this important journey of promoting avocado production in the county, our development partners, in collaboration with my government, will come together in charting the way forward in solving the challenges facing avocado farmers, especially in availability of the right inputs. Let us all remember avocado ni pesa. After today, our motto with Evans is going to be pesa mfukoni, chakula kwa meza. Avocado is the to product in the farm nowadays. Unakula na mkate, unakula na githeri, unakula na mboga, unaikula peke yake. So it is everything, hence the saying that